It's a new dawn, it's a new day, and today we're in France and we're riding the Tete. So, I had some unexpected time, so very spontaneously we decided 2 days ago that we're gonna do a part of Tete France. So we're gonna ride for 4 days, sleep for 3 nights. We're gonna do this little bit. We're starting under Luxembourg and then going down towards Switzerland. That's the part we're gonna do. I think it's gonna be a very nice part of the Tete. I think we're gonna see some little hills. So I am on my trustworthy Honda CB500X. My dad's on his brand new Rally Edition Yamaha Tenere 700. We think they're gonna be able to do the Tete. They were able to do Tete Belgium, so Tete France should be no problem, I think. Are you looking forward to the Tete France?
Yeah, because we expect something more spectacular than Belgium.
Yeah.
More height, more variation.
Yeah. You can already see behind you, like that stuff. It's already, I think, 10:30. We did 3 hours on the highway, 3 hours and a half actually. Maybe we're gonna eat something a little bit now and then we're gonna start riding, start the off-road track. Tete staat erop. Have fun. Okay. All right. Oei, oei. Oh, ik heb wel een backflip. All right. This is intense already. Challenging. Already challenging, and more challenging than we ever did on the Belgium. I think this is just the beginning. Naar links, papa. Challenging dan dat we ooit de Tete hebben gedaan in België al, hè? Die klim er juist, jongen.
hebben we.
Hoi. Moment, ik ga even, kun jij misschien even een klein tekstje geven? Dan kan ik mijn poot zetten, ik kan niet helpen. Of... First fall. In the mud, of course. Typical. Oh ja, middenpoot stikt uit. The center stand, because it's so much to the outside, folds when it falls. Good to know. Adam? Helemaal, helemaal. Ja. Off-road, perfect. Mud, and mud like this, like not normal mud, just tractor that destroyed everything mud. That is not doable with these 200 kilo bikes. Then you really need a small bike with knobby tires and a lot of skill if you want to do this kind of things uphill. It's just not doable, so I'm gonna turn back a little and then meet up with the dead track a bit later. Fell again. Okay. And now my gear.
niet natuurlijk.
Okay. I think we're gonna take the helmets off and take a little break while we pick up the bikes. We were just coming here. I see my dad fall. I brake and I fall. So this is 5 bike falls in half a day. Ted France, you're the best. Okay, we got the bikes up, but my bike is a bit damaged, so my handguard has come loose. But I found the, how is it called? The bolt to fix it. It was just in the grass, so it's a bit lucky. Found it. Not so tight now, so this is a bit damaged, but good enough to ride on. So yeah, let's be very careful because this is just mud. Very unexpected mud. My dad's mirror was a bit loose also, but nothing to worry about. Ruts.
Fucking ruts.
My dad fell again. Let's not go there then. This seems to be a very muddy road, but the kind you don't expect. Okay. Adam?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's a rut. So he is really careful on this road. Alright, we made it to the nice camping. Yeah, it's a nice camping with the lake, some nice houses. But we're gonna set up our tent, of course, and we're gonna do that now before it gets dark. And we're gonna eat something, and we're gonna sleep. We're gonna make it early morning because we wanna leave at 9 o'clock. We want to be gone already. 9 was the earliest hour that we could leave. Voilà, nous sommes arrivés et nous avons soupe. Oui. Nous sommes en français. Hein? Alright, I'm gonna end the first episode here. I'm gonna sleep. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for part 2 of Ted France. And now, bye bye.